Sorry, madam.
Young lady, just calm down. Agent Vito, in just one word, what is this drama all about?
Thank you, sir. Sure, sir. We caught this lady with illegal possession of sexual arms. At the same time, she was drinking alcohol along the road.
Exactly.
Offense number 2.
Exactly.
Okay.
Madam, this lady is moving with condom.
Yes.
Which is prohibited.
Yes.
Then, secondly, she was drinking alcoholic along the road, passing along the road. Then, third offense. He has no license.
Yes.
No driving license. No birth certificate. No receipt showing that she's a citizen. Okay, walking along the road without a pant. And wash her, no pant, nothing.
Sir, nothing shows she is a citizen of Nigeria.
Exactly, yes.
You know who we are? Fools. Big fool! Both of you! Even you, a sergeant? You are an idiot. Young lady.
Sorry, madam.
Calm down. Give me that property. Give me her property. Give it to me. Stupid. Take it back, young lady.
Sir, you are giving her license to distribute HIV.
You know what? Just thank your God today. Thank your God today. I'm in the lucky mood.
Look at you. She's not even really
Exactly. What nonsense? Who recruited you people? Yeah, you can leave. What an arrant nonsense is this? Hey, both of you now, listen. Was this what I sent you people for? Maintain peace and order. That's all. Maintain peace and order. Little assignment I gave to you. I told you I need results. Give me results. All to no avail. But to start harassing innocent citizens of this country, that I will not take.
But sir, this woman is really, tempting us now. It is not a temptation.
You are stupid. God. Both of you meet me in my office immediately for the next assignment.
Madam, this lady is moving without pant. It's moving without pant.
What do you know? No, I think it's the problem now.
I will pull off the remaining one with the inside.
What do you talk now?
I will put hand inside there.
The Chris?
Sorry, I am also doing okay.
Shut up!
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
What do you want? You won't commit offense upon the one where you don't commit. Sorry, go inside the office. Go inside!
Yes, sir. No sense. Operating, moving along the road without a license, no receipt, nothing, no birth certificate.
Well.